Okay, you can go now. Play in the snow.
Okay.
Come on. Come on, look at that. Look at that. You like it? Put cover in your head, sweetie. Look at your eyes. You covered your eyes. You like it? Stick out your tongue. Ah. God, I got it. Look at that.
The snow.
Did you eat the snow? Yeah.
And it tastes great.
Tastes good. Look at the play. I don't have my umbrella here.
Umbrella.
It's in my car, I guess.
More snow.
Ah! Sweetie, I'm in the snow. Ah!
I can't catch a thing, Mom. It's
So, Chloe, look at your eyes. It's dirty. Can I wipe your eyes? Wipe your eyes. Yeah, it's snowing.
Ice.
My camera is wet now.
And my hands is cold.
Your hands is cold?
I should have brought my mirror. Oh, here, Mommy.
You need to wipe your hands.
I got pockets.
Ah, it's snow. It's snow, sweetie.
Can I take off my hat?
Come on. We're in the snow. Stick out your tongue.
But your camera, it's getting wet.
Yeah, it's getting wet, I know. Chloe.
Oh, my snow.
Yeah, your eyes is dirty.
Mommy, look. It's getting freezable. The snow, David. It's snowing.
Come on, let's go over here. After a few hours, the snow will be too much thick in the ground.
Then let's lay down on it.
Yeah, and your daddy's motorcycle will be freezing here.
The ground. I'm getting
Cold?
No.
Oh, my camera is getting wet. I need to come here. Woo! Woo! Camera is freezing.
There's snow on your head. Look at that.
You eating the snow? Ah!
I love to eat it.
Toklo, your eye is too much dirty. I need to wipe it. You wipe your nose too.
Where's there a snowflake coming? The snowflake! Snow over here! It's coming from over here! Are they getting snow? It's okay in snowing.
I'm freezing now.
Okay, can you the snow?
Come on, let's get inside.
No.
No, we will get back if the snow is already thick on the ground. Then we'll go back. Take a picture. Come on.
It's snowing. I want to still play.
No, I'm cold, sweetie. We'll become sick here if we stay long here outside. It's too much cold. Don't stick out your tongue like that. Come on. Are you trying to eat the snow? Come on, let's go inside.
No.
I'm cold now. I'm freezing.
Dad, it's snowing.
You like it? Oh, finish.